Glass fruit cutting ASMR videos are taking over social media, and the wild part? They're all created with AI. Most people use tools like Veo 3, but getting that perfect, satisfying slice takes some serious prompt skills. The good news? There's an easier AI tool that makes stunning ASMR videos with just text or images. Want to see how it works and upgrade your content? Let's dive in. I was talking about Vivago AI, a powerful text-to-video and image-to-video generator AI tool that has amazing capabilities of generating both realistic and anime videos. Recently, Vivago AI Video Generator has brought an update called Vivago 2.0 that makes it more powerful. You will find the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click on Try for Free and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will be like this. Here at the top, you will find the tools like Image Generator, Image to Video Generator, and Text to Video Generator. After that, you will find some templates to make trendy videos. And at the bottom, you will find community videos and images. Okay, let's start our journey with the Text to Video Generator. This is the Video Generator interface. As we selected the Text to Video Generator, the Text to Video option is now selected. You can change it to Image to Video or Effect Video. Okay, now let's see how we can generate ASMR video in text-to-video mode. The step is very simple. We have to enter the prompt here in this box. Now, assume that I am not an expert in prompting. Don't worry, we just need an idea. The rest will be handled by the Vivago Prompt Engineer. Simply click on this small icon from here. This is the Vivago Prompt Engineer. Here in this box, we need to enter the basic idea of our video. For example, I am typing, a hand with a sharp knife cutting and making slices of a colorful glass-like apple. Now simply hit the send button, and you can see that the prompt engineer is writing the prompt for us. And here it is, the prompt is ready. This is really a rich prompt. You just have to click on the Use Prompt button from here to insert the prompt in the prompt box. Okay, our prompt is ready. Now we have to select the video generation model. I am selecting Professional as I want to use the new 2.0 model. Next, select the video duration between 5 and 10 seconds. After that, if you want to generate automatic sound effects, turn on this toggle. Next, set the aspect ratio of the video. In the end, you can enter negative prompts here in this box. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Vivago AI Video Generator has started generating the video. It will take around 1 minute to complete the video generation, which is faster than other AI video generators, along with Google Veo 3. And here it is, the video is ready. The quality? It's top-notch. A perfect ASMR video, it looks very satisfying. The visuals, color, light, and micro details are amazing. And the sound effects, I am literally surprised by the sound effects. It generates perfect sound effects for the video. I love the result. So now in this method, you can create amazing, satisfying videos using Vivago Text to Video Generator. The steps are simple. Turn on the Prompt Engineer. Now, enter the video's basic idea here, and then generate the detailed prompt. Once the prompt is ready, set the model, duration, sound effects, and aspect ratio, and then hit the Generate button. And after waiting for some time, you will get a video like that. Okay, now let's have a look at Image to Video Generator. In the Image to Video tab, you will find two options, Frame and Elements. In the Elements tab, you can create amazing video clips with multiple elements. For example, this is a character image, an image of a dress, and a background. In the prompt box, I typed, a woman in a black halter dress. In the forest scene of winter, both the earth and the trees are covered with pure snow. Next, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this result. You can notice that the video contains the character, dress, and background perfectly, and creates an amazing high-quality video. This feature is perfect for creating any kind of commercial or other videos where consistency is required. In the frame feature, you can upload an image and turn it into a video clip. If you have the end frame, you can upload it. Let's create an ASMR video using the Image to Video Generator. First, we need an image. Don't worry, we can generate images using the Image Generator tool inside Vivago. This is the Vivago Image Generation interface. At the top, we have to enter the prompt. Like the video generator, you will find the prompt engineer here. Just enter what you want in your image. For example, I am typing a colorful ultra-reflective glass apple on a table. Now hit the send button. The engineer will start writing the prompt instantly. Now simply click on Use Prompt. Now you can upload a reference image to create a similar kind of image. Next, set the model, number of images, and the aspect ratio of the image. Once done, hit the Generate button. Now wait for a short time. And here it is, the images are ready. And look at the quality of the images. All of them are perfect images as we need. You can create any kind of images. Okay, our images are ready. Now let's turn one of them into a video clip. So, come to the Video Generation tab. Now, click on Select from Asset from here. You will find all the images you generated using Vivago. Select the best one. After selecting the image, we have to enter the prompt. You can enter the previous prompt or generate a new prompt using Prompt Engineer. Once the prompt is ready, set all other settings and then hit the Generate button. After waiting for some time, I got this video. You can see the result. This is really a good video. So, now you can create images on Vivago and turn them into amazing videos using the image-to-video generator. The model is fast and can create amazing high-quality videos in a very short time. However, if you think the prompt writing and setting all other settings is a little bit complex or boring, I have some good news for you. Let's see. Come to the effect video from here. You will find a vast number of amazing trendy templates. This is a huge library. Now you can select any template from here and create amazing videos. We have to select this satisfying cut video. Once the template is selected, upload or select the image, and then hit the Generate button, and then wait for some time. And here it is, the video clip is ready. And look at the quality of the video, this is just amazing. So now you can create this kind of satisfying video with amazing sound effects. In fact, you can create any kind of amazing videos using Vivago AI, and this is not the end. You can create amazing lip sync using the lip sync tool. And here in the AI Tools tab, you will find a vast number of AI tools like Image Enhancer, Video Enhancer, Magic Brush, Magic Erase, 3D Model Generator, AI Try-On, and others that make your content creation easier than ever. This is a perfect content creation platform for beginners and experts, and the pricing is very cost-effective. You can start with $6 per month, where you will get 1,000 monthly credits. And in the Plus plan, you will get 4,000 credits for $20 per month. No other AI video generator gives you such a rate. You can try it for free too, because it will give you free daily credits. Now you can even use it on your mobile phone, because Vivago AI is now also available on App Store and Play Store. So, you can create content while traveling. So, don't forget to try this tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I'll wrap up our video now. Before that, I'd love to hear your opinion about this AI video generator and AI image generator tool. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!